What's up to my guys? What's up to my squad? We're back here with a video, man. Right now, we gonna be doing a reaction, funny ass video. Man, let's get into it. What the fuck? Put a big ass patch in that shit.
头发也不是说没有红肿的地方。啊，你看看。
Dumbass cat. That motherfucker Kurt go bust. Oh.
He's been watching too shit,
Oh my God. What the hell? Dang! If this video get 1,000 views and 1,000 likes and like 200 subscribers, we're gonna do a part 2. Speared the fuck out of that other cat. Dumbass cat. That motherfucker hit his face. Shake it off, shake it off. Get the motherfucker cup out your head. Fall into the bed. Oh, that's the JB's bed. Like that bitch finna try to jump on that bookshelf. I knew it. I just said it. It's gonna try to do something. I don't know. That motherfucker scared him. This motherfucker, he got thinking Spider-Man. Alright, gang. That was enough. That was just. Let me let you guys see that. Oh fuck. my gang squad, we will be doing part 2, like I said in the middle of the video, man. We gonna end this video right here, real quick. Alright, dab on it one time. All the haters sit down and you gang stand up.